Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Brent. Oil holds position around $86 per barrel. Positive dynamics is helped by the prospects for the recovery of the Chinese economy, as well as positive data on the dynamics of the US gross domestic product published last week. In China, the number of severe cases of coronavirus has recently decreased by 72% compared to the peak at the beginning of the month, and the daily death rate among patients has decreased by 79%, which gives investors hope for the country's gradual recovery from the pandemic and continued economic growth. This week, investors expect a meeting of the participants in the OPEC Plus deal, but changes in current production quotas are not predicted. Against this background, the growth of oil prices may continue. Next, USD Japanese yen. The American currency is declining against the yen. Inflation data was released on Friday, with the Tokyo CPI climbing from 4% to 4.4%, and the core from 4% to 4.3%, beating experts' expectation of 4.2%. However, Bank of Japan officials still don't consider inflation growth sustainable and adhere to an ultra-soft monetary policy, although many are confident that it needs to be tightened. Lack of policy change could put significant pressure on domestic demand and inversely affect the service sector. As the likelihood of a tightening policy rises, the USD Japanese pair is a risk of remaining under pressure. And finally, GBP USD. The British currency is testing resistance at 1.24. The focus of investors is the speech of UK Treasury Secretary Jeremy Hunt. The official said he would seek to raise taxes and turn Brexit into a catalyst for the growth of the British economy. According to him, in order to support business, it's necessary to fight record inflation, which Rishi Sunak's government intends to halve in the near future. Additional support for the pound is provided by the local weakness of the dollar before the Fed meeting. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.